Author and activist Pinky Virani has strong opinions on this subject. With her in the studio in Mumbai is Abhay Vartak, who's spokesperson of the Sanatan Sanstha, supports Asaram. Lalita Kumaramangalam, member of the National Executive and spokesperson of the Bharatiya Janata Party. Rahul Ishwar, social activist, supports Asaram from Trivandrum, Thiruvananthapuram. Ami Yagnik of the Congress Party from Ahmedabad, Khushbu of the DMK, and Dr. Kumar Vishwas, National Executive Member of the Aam Aadmi Party. I have a big panel because, you know, this is a big subject. क्या लगता है आपको, कब तक भागते रहेंगे आसाराम जी?
मुझे लगता है इसमें भागने की बात नहीं है। पहले तो हमारे सभी व्यक्तियों को, जितने भी हिंदू लोग हैं, में से सब ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोगों को पूजनीय आसाराम बापू जी के ऊपर रिस्पेक्ट तो जरूर है।
इसमें हिंदू रिलीजन की क्या बात है? इसमें
मुझे कंप्लीट करने के लिए देंगे या बोलने के लिए देंगे?
नहीं, मगर इसमें रिलीजियस, डोंट ब्रिंग अप रिलीजियस कलर टू इट।
रिलीजियस कलर लाना ही पड़ेगा, क्योंकि ये इंटरनेशनल कॉन्स्पिरेसी है कि सभी संतों को बदनाम करने की। रामदेव बाबा के बारे में भी हमने 2 साल पहले ऐसे देखा था कि उनके औषधि द्रव्यों में मानव की हड्डियां हैं। 4 दिन मीडिया ने बहुत मीडिया ट्रायल किया, बाद में क्या हुआ? नथिंग। मतलब उस समय भी वो ऐसा ही हुआ था कि रामदेव बाबा को अरेस्ट कीजिए, रामदेव बाबा को अरेस्ट कीजिए, कुछ भी नहीं हुआ।
एंड मिस्टर अभय वर्तक, देखिए ऐसा है, 2 बच्चों की हत्या हुई है कई साल पहले। 1 मिनट, उनके शव मिले थे बहुत बुरे हालत में। These 2 were children, right? Now this girl, she's the victim of rape. Okay, it's a very serious charge. Don't bring religion into it. Don't bring religion into it.
Don't be emotional.
Don't bring religion into it.
issue. मेरा कहना इतना ही है कि नहीं, रिलीजन का बात क्यों ना लाएं? क्योंकि एक बड़े सिनेरियो में हम लोग जब भी देखते हैं,
देखिए ऐसा है,
एक बड़े सिनेरियो में हम देखते हैं
जो क्राइम होता है वो क्राइम होता है।
बस हम कुछ नहीं कह रहे हैं। नहीं, लेकिन क्राइम होता है तो क्राइम होता है। मेरा कहना इतना ही है कि पुलिस स्टेशन में एफआईआर दर्ज हुआ है, पुलिस को उसका इन्वेस्टिगेशन करने दो। उसको आपको
पुलिस पे विश्वास है तो आप ये भी जानेंगे
उसको जुडिशरी के बाद
आसाराम का लड़का, क्या नाम है उसका, नारायण साई, हाँ, उसने बोला विक्टिम इज मेंटली अनस्टेबल। आप पुलिस के में विश्वास है तो यू विल नो इन्वेस्टिगेटिंग ऑफिसर इन दिस केस एसीपी चंचल मिश्रा हैज कैटेगोरिकली स्टेटेड दैट द गर्ल इज नॉट मेंटली अनस्टेबल। इनफैक्ट शी हैज टोल्ड आवर चैनल की लड़की तो बहुत इंटेलिजेंट स्टूडेंट है, उसने बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्मेंस किया था अपने क्लासेस में। तो ये जो नारायण साई है वो लड़की के रेपुटेशन को कुछ, उसके बारे में कुछ भी कह रहे हैं, वो चलता रहेगा, वो अलाउड है आपके लिए। उसमें आपको दुख नहीं होता है, उसमें आपको खराब नहीं लगता है कि 15 साल की लड़की का ये सब होने के बाद, हादसा होने के बाद, पहले आप कह रहे हैं पॉलिटिकल कंस्पिरेसी है।
जिस आसाराम बापू जी के 2 करोड़ भक्त है, मीडिया उनके पीछे मीडिया ट्रायल कर रही है कि नहीं वो जैसा मीडिया जन रही है, हम ही जुडिशरी है,
कुमार विश्वास
की भूमिका में मीडिया न जाए, इतना ही हमारा कहना है।
देखिए 2 करोड़, 200, 2000 या 200 करोड़ उनके सपोर्टर्स हो, क्राइम इज अ क्राइम एंड दैट्स इट राइट। पिंकी विरानी इज रिस्पॉन्डिंग टू यू। उसके बाद डॉक्टर कुमार, एक्चुअली लेट मी गेट कुमार विश्वास फर्स्ट। कुमार विश्वास जी, आपने ओपनिंग रिमार्क्स देखे हैं इधर अभय वर्तक के, आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे उनको इस केस पे? आपका क्या पोजीशन है?
मैं एक तो अभय जी से कहना चाहता हूं कि ऐसा स्टैंड लेके आप कहीं ना कहीं हिंदुत्व को एक खराब शेप में ला रहे हैं। आप याद रखिएगा, हम उस राम की परंपरा से आते हैं जहां जन प्रवाद की वजह से एक धोबी मात्र के कह देने पर भगवान राम अपने प्राणों से प्रिय सीता का परित्याग कर देते हैं। मैं ये मान ही नहीं रहा कि बापूजी ने कुकर्म किया है, नहीं किया है। पहली बात तो मैं उस 15 साल की बच्ची को सवाल करना चाहता हूं। हजारों बच्चियां तो बोल नहीं पाती हैं। आप चुप सुनिए, मीडिया ट्रायल की बात नहीं कर रहे हम केवल यह बात कह रहे हैं कि बापूजी को पहले ही दिन आना चाहिए था और कहना चाहिए था इस देश के कानून के सम्मुख मैं आत्मसमर्पण करता हूं, मेरी जांच कराइए, इससे उनकी प्रतिष्ठा और बहुत अधिक बढ़ती। और आप याद रखिए, कांची कामकोटि पीठ के शंकराचार्य जी ने दिवाली से पहली रात एक हत्यारे के सिर्फ नाम भर ले देने पर सरेंडर किया था और गए थे, और प्रवाद झूठा निकला, उनकी प्रतिष्ठा बढ़ी। तो आप कहीं ना कहीं हिंदुत्व को, उसके संतों को, उसकी पूरी परंपरा को कलंकित कर रहे हैं ऐसा काम करके। और आशाराम जी ने काम किया है नहीं किया, मेरी इस पर बहस ही नहीं है। एक 15 साल की बच्ची अगर किसी के बारे में ऐसा बोलती तो क्या कोई दूसरा आदमी ऐसा करता? ये आप कैसी बात कर रहे हैं? आप उस बच्ची के दर्द को नहीं समझ रहे हैं। अभय जी, आपके घर में भी पुत्रियां होंगी, मेरे घर में पुत्रियां हैं। सोच के देखिए, और इस देश में सुनिए, देश में इतना पतन नहीं हुआ।
इस तरह से आप एक बड़े संत का बड़ा
देश में इतना पतन नहीं हुआ कि एक पिता
मीडिया ट्रायल बंद
सारी कोई क्या अपमान है इसमें? इसमें क्या इन्वेस्टिगेशन करने आपको समर्पित कर दें, वो
पुलिस को इन्वेस्टिगेशन करने दीजिए ना।
तब करेगी जब वो गिरफ्तार हो। वो तो गिरफ्तार ही नहीं हो रहे। वो तो कह रहे हैं कि मैं तो ऐसा हूँ, ऐसा कर दूंगा, मुझे एक बात देगा, लड़का कुछ और कह रहा है।
मुझे एक बात
मेरी बात
सामान्य भारत के आम नागरिक से बड़े हो गए क्या?
मेरी बात सुनिए। आजकल ये बहुत बुरा सा एक फैशन शुरू हो गया है। कोई भी किसी के बारे में कुछ बात कहे, कुछ निकल आए जिससे एम्बैरेसमेंट हो, स्कैम हो या इस तरह का रेप केस हो, तो सीधी बात है मीडिया ट्रायल, मीडिया ट्रायल। अरे भाई, ये मीडिया ट्रायल है क्या? मैं अगर ये पूछूं कि आसाराम को 4 या 5 दिन का विंडो क्यों मिला समन्स में रिस्पॉन्ड करने के लिए, मुझे मिलेगा, आपको मिलेगा, किसी को मिलेगा? नहीं मिलेगा। सीधी बात तो ये है। टक्कर की बात तो ये है। आप मेरे सवाल का जवाब दीजिए। नहीं, मेरे सवाल का जवाब दीजिए प्लीज। एक मिनट। नहीं, मैं सवाल उठा रहा हूं and I want to translate it Hindi and English at the same time. I'm going to translate Hindi and English at the same time. The question I'm saying tonight, the question I'm raising, and I put that to Rahul Ishwar, right? Let's get everybody in. And then I'll come to you, Pinky. The question is this, that today the DCP says, why are you giving a window? DCP says, because he's a senior citizen. The senior citizen is a rape accused. And he has a history of cases against his organization. I'm not sure if the law, does the law say, Pinky Virani, does the law say that a rape accused is senior citizen, so give him an endless window?
No.
Does it say that?
No. In fact, the current law, which is both POCSO, which is for children under 18, as also the recently amended CLA Act, which is the Criminal Law Act 2013 now, the one which came after the December.
Right.
Very clearly states that those who are in position of authority, which this particular accused was.
Yes.
Those who are in position of authority, it will be treated as aggravated sexual assault. So, in fact, he qualifies the age. The Constitution does not recognize age, caste, class, religion, or even whether you're poor or rich, or whether you think that you are some sort of godman.
Yeah.
For everyone, an Indian is an Indian and equal in the eyes of our Constitution and our law. To make an excuse for anyone on any grounds is to, in fact, make a mockery of both our Constitution and our law.
I'll come back to
and most important of all, you send out a message to everyone in this country that if you're poor and if you're living in a slum, and if you do gang rape, the FIR is filed immediately and you are arrested immediately.
Double standards.
But if you are some sort of exalted, in other words, rich and powerful, you as an accused are running between 3-4 states. I mean, the accused is just running from state to state to state and has not been arrested until now.
Let's get everybody in. मैं आ रहा हूँ आपके पास, वापस आऊंगा कुमार विश्वास जी। आप पूरा मौका दूंगा आपको और अभय वर्तक जी को कि एक दूसरे को आप अपनी बात रख सके। मगर बात ये नहीं है। You see, the question is this, Rahul, and I'm saying this with all responsibility. The political parties of this country have given up on fighting for the weak and the downtrodden. That's what most, a 15-year-old girl, and I know Khushbu won't like it, Ami Yagnik won't like it, and Lalita Kumaramangalam won't like it, but it's the brutal reality. Political parties of this country only stand up for the powerful people. They stand up for vested interest, and that 15-year-old girl is nobody's, she's no vested interest, she's not a vote bank. A political party, she's not a vote bank, so you can do what you want. And Rahul Ishwar, if this is so unfair, if the basis for giving him a window was the ground is a senior citizen, then this case is being treated differently from others. In February 2010, a senior citizen in Mumbai, along with a friend, was immediately remanded in police custody after they had alleged they had raped a woman. Now that person was not a godman, fraudman or whatever, right? So if you're not a self-styled godman or fraudman, then you'll be remanded. But if you are, you'll get away with it. What justice is this, Rahul? Why are you arguing on the wrong side tonight?
Very important 3 points. One, isn't it unfair? Isn't it unfair and unfortunate that Arnabji is portraying people as either pro-Asaram or anti-Asaram. It is not like that. We are all pro that 15-year-old girl.
Really?
There is no one in India who will be against her. We are all pro that girl.
So,
second point, but that doesn't mean Indian law clearly says a person is innocent until proved guilty.
Oh, please don't tell me the basics of the law. Don't. You're completely got it wrong, Rahul.
Not because he is a senior citizen, not because he is a godman. But remember, Arnabji, remember, just because he has a past history of allegations, that cannot be a basis on which
Rahul,
a case should be registered against him.
Rahul,
so he should be given window only on basis
not convinced.
He is innocent until proved guilty.
No, you're not convinced of your own argument. And I'll help you. I'll help you, Rahul, to lose this sense of false conviction in your own argument. I'll give you one example, okay? A 24-year-old, I'll go to Khushbu next.
Please.
A 24-year-old aspiring model is raped by a senior citizen and his friend. Both are businessmen, a normal middle-level businessman. This incident happens in Andheri, right, 2010. Both the senior citizen and his friend are immediately put in jail. So my question to you is this. If a senior citizen in Mumbai rapes a young girl and is immediately put in jail, or allegation is there and immediately put in, allegation by the way, and immediately put in jail, then why is Asaram, who faces an even more heinous charge because the child in this case is a minor? Right, Khushbu? The child in this case is a minor. Why is an exception being made?
I really want to know why the exception is being made. Do the people even realize that what it takes for a 15-year-old girl, a kid, to come out and say that she was brutally sexually assaulted? Yeah. What the father of this 15-year-old child goes through by receiving these threatening calls and being threatened every day and night? Do they even realize at what risk the entire family lives in? And this man who's a self-proclaimed godman, he runs from state to state giving one example or the other, or citing one reason or the other to evade the arrest. Well, what do these people think? Forget about the government, forget about which party I belong to or anybody else on this panel belongs to. I think as a woman, all the women panelists today will agree that this little kid definitely needs justice. And I will not agree that whoever said that it's innocent until proven guilty. I need to understand that why is he not facing the music? Why is he giving reasons to the cops, or why is somebody else deciding as to when the cops will go and meet him and give him the summons, or when somebody else will decide for him as to when he will come and appear in front of the police? Why
Who says that's Indian law?
Simply hanky-panky stuff. Why can't they be absolutely straight?
Who says? Don't misinterpret Indian law. I know the law, Rahul. Don't misinterpret the law.
Shankaracharya earlier. There has been allegations against Shabarimala priest
one second.
They were all proved false.
One second.
Charges against Shankaracharya.
Pinky is countering you.
They have all been proved wrong.
Pinky Virani is countering you. Come on, the FIR is filed 10 days back. There is no action till now. What are you talking about? Pinky Virani is responding to you. Pinky.
The way the law now is, just in case you haven't read, because you may not necessarily be up to date since the CLA Act has just come.
No, if you feel he's not up to date, you can tell him. Don't be subtle about it. This is the news. We believe in being direct. You're being accused of not knowing the facts, by the way.
That when it comes to minors understood under the age of 18, if there is an FIR filed, and from what I understand, an FIR has been filed.
On the 20th of August.
Right. On the 20th of August, which is already so many days away. Then it comes up to the police to make its very, very, very initial investigation, which in this case I understand has been done because the manager, the accused runs something like 200 residential schools. So one of the managers who apparently told the girl's parents, and I'm using the word apparently because I haven't read the FIR myself with my own eyes, okay, told the girl's parents that there was some sort of bhoot, jadoo, vadu, whatever had happened to her, and she had to go and meet the accused. Yeah. And that is how the accused has spent that 90 minutes or whatever with her. Now, the earlier commission, if you remember, when these two children who were found dead behind the other ashram in Gujarat.
That's right.
When that commission was called for, one of the earlier managers, actually gave a kind of deposition that yes, indeed, this Jadoo Tona stuff was being used as an excuse, and within apparently so many days, he was shot at. All right? Now, the problem here is that if this particular accused, he stands only accused, not proven guilty until he is proven guilty in a court of law, that is clearly understood. The problem here is that the accused is constantly running and not facing up to it like a man.
That's the point. That's the point. And not just him. You see, what's happening is, and Lalita Kumaramangalam and Ami Yagnik, let me bring in Congress and BJP, after that is open debate round.